If three vectors satisfy the relation a vector dot b vector equal to 0 and a vector dot c vector equal to 0, then A can be parallel to first one c vector, second is b vector, third is b vector cross c vector, fourth is b vector dot c vector. So here we have three vectors and given conditions. Conditions are a vector dot b vector is 0 and a vector dot c vector is also 0. If two vectors are giving dot product 0, that means these vectors are perpendicular to each other, means angle between a vector and b vector is 90 degree. Similarly, in this case also angle between a vector and c vector is also 90 degree, means a vector is perpendicular to b and a vector is also perpendicular to c. Now we will see one by one which will be the correct alternative. In first it is saying c vector, means we have seen that is a vector is perpendicular to c vector, it is not parallel to a vector, therefore this won't be the answer. Now we will move to second alternative in which it is saying b vector, and we have to find whether a vector is parallel to b vector or not. We have seen that is angle between a vector and b vector is 90 degree, that is these are perpendicular to each other, not parallel, therefore this won't be the answer. Next one, can a vector can be parallel to b vector cross c vector. B vector cross c vector, we can say the result of this is perpendicular to, means result of b cross c will be perpendicular to b vector and it is also perpendicular to c vector. So we can say the result of b cross c will give a vector which can be parallel to a vector, because a vector is also perpendicular to b vector and is also perpendicular to c vector. Therefore we can say a vector can be parallel to r vector, or we can say can be parallel to b vector cross c vector. So moving on to fourth statement, that is b dot c. B vector dot c vector gives a scalar quantity, so we don't have any direction for that case. Therefore answer of this question will be a vector which can be parallel to, therefore answer will be b cross c. Thank you.